Hi guys, and welcome to week 4 of the Pitch Perfect course. It's nearly the end, but before you finish, we've got a fun packed week ahead. As usual, if you look below this video, there is a short timetable showing you everything that you're going to be doing this week, but I'll just run through it with you so you know exactly what to expect. So the first thing that we're going to be looking at this week is chasing pitches. We're then going to look at multi-pitching, and by that I mean when you pitch to lots of different publications at the same time. The next thing we're going to look at, very important, because at the end of the day this is all about building a business, so we're going to look at negotiating fees. Then we're going to look at writing on the spec. That means when you write something speculatively, in other words, an editor asks you to write a whole article, and then they'll decide whether or not they're going to publish it. So this is something that I feel quite strongly you shouldn't be doing, especially after doing this course. Have a read of the notes and see what you think. And again, like everything we do in the course, we can discuss it when we next catch up as well. We'll then talk about the dreaded R word, rejection. Hopefully, again, after this course, you're not going to be feeling quite the same way as you once did about being rejected. But there's a few tips I've got for you in terms of handling rejection, because it is something that you're going to have to do. It's something that every journalist has to do. We have to do it on almost a daily basis. So have a read through and see what you think. The next section is on repitching and re-angling, and that is about making more money for your ideas and being able to maybe spin out 3 or 4 features from just one idea. So that's a really useful section, I think, again, in terms of developing your business. Now, we've got 2 activities this week. The big activity is our virtual conference. We are going to be meeting online on Wednesday, and we are going to be having some fun, throwing some pictures around, as well as practicing pitching. We're also going to be having a go at giving feedback. It's the thing we never get from editors, and I hope by doing this exercise, it's going to maybe make you realize why we don't get feedback, because giving feedback is often as challenging as coming up with ideas in the first place. Sometimes it's hard to put our finger on why we don't like an idea or we don't think an idea will work. So by having a really informal, throwing some ideas around, having this pitching session, hopefully you're going to learn lots from it, and it's really going to cement everything that we've done on the course so far. The other activity will be to reflect on the session, thinking about the idea you liked best that you had during the session, but also reflecting on an idea that one of your course mates had, and thinking about what you would do differently or what surprised you about the idea. All the details about the session and the reflection activity afterwards are in the notes below, and we'll also go through all this again during the session so everybody knows exactly what they're doing. And then just one little thing to be doing, the final assignment, which is going to be your best pitch yet. Again, the instructions are below, but just to sum this one up, you're going to choose a pitch from scratch, and you're going to decide how you want to pitch me with it. Are you going to phone me? Are you going to email it? Or would you prefer to do it face-to-face, in which case we will do that during the final conference together when we discuss next steps. I really, really hope you enjoy the week. I look forward to seeing you and hearing you in our virtual conference room on Wednesday. Until then, enjoy the notes. Hope you learn lots. Any questions, give me a shout. Good luck, guys.